Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for contractors. For anyone who has been wondering whether the impact of click fraud and ad fraud makes PPC advertising less cost-effective, there is a definite case for the use of a fraud shield. Why do I need fraud shield for PPC ads? Assuming you're in the average bracket, how much do you pay for PPC per month? Are you happy to be paying 14% of that to fraudulent practices? No, we didn't think so. This fraud shield has been shown to improve the return on investment for the majority of our customers here at ClickCease. ClickCease works with any platform. Whether you want to prevent click fraud on your own custom site or on a platform you use, ClickCease takes just minutes to install. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.